Okay, hello everybody. We've had to redo this intro a lot. But we are playing Risk of
Rain 2! And we're trying to get these two last characters.
Yeah, sorry for being, so condescending by talking like this, but, we've had to do this so many times that it isn't even funny at this point, and oh my god, this is so annoying.
Okay, good.
Okay, let's go.
Sorry for not uploading in a while. We've had to redo this for a couple of days.
Yeah, we've been attempting this for a little while.
Yeah.
But it's getting annoying at this point. Ready up. Let's go.
We're not in Fortnite. Anyway, if you haven't seen one of our Fortnite videos,
don't watch them. They're not good.
Yeah. But you can if you want to see stupid content.
But don't watch them, please. I just got struck by a laser before I even got up. What the heck? Excuse me, rude.
Yes, guys, just like and subscribe if you'd like this channel to grow out more. And also if you want to see more content. Like this
I
or
didn't even
more.
get to spawn. I call this chest, by the way. But I didn't even get to spawn in, and I got struck by a laser from that dumb thing.
And I take no fall damage.
Well, I mean, I can't either if I try hard enough.
I call this purple chest. It's rare.
No? What that means if they're purple?
It's rare.
Utility chest.
It's rare.
They're utility
It's
chest.
rare.
They're utility chest.
It's rare.
It's
rare.
They're utility chest.
It's rare.
They're utility foot.
I put.
I
Now we're demonetized. Now we're demonetized.
What do you mean? We aren't even getting monetized in the first flip.
Why did you start it?
I don't know. I mean, we could probably do it. I have one item.
I had 0.
I got the backup magazine, by the way. That's my one item. I can spit at him twice, and then jump at him twice. If you've never heard of this game,
Unsatisfying. Yeah, so, Loader is probably one of the best characters to use during this kind of challenge to get this character.
Yeah. Oh, I'm getting lasered at the woods.
That's why I'm the tank. I'm literally the tank.
Yeah, you are. So it's not like a literal tank. I got focus crystals. Those are good for me.
Also me.
There's some vitamin gummies. They're very good for me.
Yeah.
I love me some vitamin gummies. If you say vitamin as vitamin, then no.
I got a topaz
Bruche.
I
believe it's pronounced Bruche.
Brunch.
Wait, those aren't even good. Don't you dare get into this conversation with me.
Brunch.
Don't you
I love
dare.
brunch.
Stop
Give
saying
me my
that.
lunch.
No.
I must eat my brunch.
No, don't say brunch.
I must have brunch. It is my favorite meal of the day.
Is it really a meal? Who the heck says brunch? Honestly.
Brunch. I do.
You're weird.
You're weird.
No, you. No flip. I'm getting this stressed. Let's just do here, let me just give you a hint. Do-do-do-do. You know what I mean? We're just gonna do a do-do-do-do. You know what I mean? Isaac, we're doing a do-do-do.
No.
Oh, I get the ukulele! Oh, that's good. I got a red whip. We're just doing a do-do-do-do. If you know what I mean. If you know what I put. Doing a do-do-do-do.
Where?
Do you even know what I mean, Isaac? Do you even know what I put?
Are the dang enemies?
Well, since we did a teleporter event, they don't Yeah.
Oh, it destroyed both of them.
Well, I mean, you don't even need them anyway, so.
What? Wait, do we have any printers here?
Maybe, but you need a white printer. Anyway.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Cruel world. You're getting us demonetized.
By saying foot, nobody has copyright claimed foot.
Also,
there's no way for us to be
also, I
monetized.
haven't said this in other runs, but I'm really sad that Technoblade died.
Oh yeah. I've seen that.
If you haven't seen it, it's really sad.
F in the chat, honestly. Can you get the F?
He will always be a legend because he's still the #1 potato farmer, baby.
This doesn't even feel good to like get that spot anymore too. Cause like you just got that title from somebody who died of cancer. Is it really that worth it?
No. I'm talking about Technoblade. He still has that.
Oh, he does?
Yeah.
Still?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, no, I mean like it would be.
Yeah, he thought he was beaten, but a hacker had like a bunch of potatoes. It was a hacker. And they found that out. So Technoblade is still #1.
Okay. Nice. Dang. Wait, Squid Kid?
Yeah, Squid Kid is still #2.
Oh, okay. So I thought you were talking about Squid Kid hacking. No.
It's just this random Enderman guy.
That's what my skin normally is if I play Minecraft and Enderman.
No, it was a different. Wonderful.
Nice. Well, can we not talk about this honestly?
I like potato chips.
One of my favorite YouTubers, to be honest. Technoblade Kid.
Technoblade is one of my favorite YouTubers besides Sunday.
I was kind of like, yeah, why is he uploading as much?
Yeah.
He's dead. That's why. I mean, honestly, it was before he died, but I mean, the reason he wasn't uploading as much then was because
he had cancer.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you guys haven't seen that, then
one of his more recent videos, he was like talking about how he was probably gonna have to lose an arm, and he still seemed like happy. Like he did not seem like sad or anything, really.
I mean, if it were to live, then yeah, I'd lose an arm, but.
Yeah, but you didn't really need to. It was just an option I had. Isaac, I'd like to say that I can spit at something 3 times, so like. I'm gonna do that.
I killed your sister. I killed your sister.
What?
That's your sister.
No.
Yeah. You're a mutated one of those guys, man.
I don't know what you're talking about. Oh yeah. Yeah, my character. I guess I do kind of look like a Lemurian. Just don't like my friends, my brothers, or whatever the frick. Isaac, get over here. You said that. I thought you were talking about my like real life sister. I was like, what?
Also, I killed your cat.
What?
I love killing them.
Don't kill my cat. I love my cat, Isaac.
Do you? Because you don't seem to understand.
I love them.
Do you?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Comment down below if you think he likes his cat or loves it.
Yeah, but.
Also, like and subscribe.
No. Please don't. Like, honestly.
You don't have to.
Like, just. Honestly, we're not going to do anything with this, most likely, so.
Yeah, we might start like a brand new channel.
Yeah, we will end up doing that, and then, like, 4 years from now, we're just going to look at this and be like, yeah, we were dumb. Oh, that was funny.
Just laughing off at our videos.
Oh, hey, look, I'm calling this.
What?
Nothing.
What did you get?
Hey, do you see
a fuel cell.
Do you
Oh, it cleans the
It's absolutely useless for you. It gives you a new charge for your equipment, which is literally just the exploding thing.
Wait, so I have 2 exploding effects?
No. I don't think. Hey, Isaac, but do you share any friends?
Yeah.
That's what I got. Yeah, I love him. His name is Jerry, and I love him.
Oh yeah, we have Cactus. Me and Alex have cactuses.
Oh yeah, you have Bob, and I have Wells.
I hate Well. Bob hates Well.
Why? Why?
Bob is inevitable.
Isaac, your cactus is not Thanos.
Yes. Yes, he is.
Whee! You probably got so much XP from that because I was like, I had a lot of money.
Yeah, so like we were gonna do this as like Alex's engineer.
Yeah, but I don't really need to.
With installation. Yeah, so as a melee, you will not want to
I don't like
fight
to say
with.
melee. Say melee. Anyway, I already found the teleporter. I just kind of like threw myself over here. Oh, I'm gonna activate that.
I never knew I had this electric thing.
I think for some reason
I can attach to it.
Yeah, I know.
You can be hardcore.
When I activated this blood altar for the first time, it just didn't do anything. Like, it gave me the money. It just didn't reduce my...
I know, that's what happened to me.
They fell for me.
Now, wait.
So yeah, and then you activated it when you had the fuel cell, which killed you instantly. Actually, it was kind of a second after, because, you know. Hey, Isaac, you want to come over here?
Why?
Because, you know what I found?
The thingy. Nice. I'm
Isaac, do you want to get,
Bro, why don't you pick up the saw blade? No way. Do you see this right here? This cube makes a black hole.
Yeah, I know. It isn't that good. It doesn't deal damage.
It's amazing.
It really is not that good. I don't know what you're saying. Oh, Isaac, this would be really good for you.
What?
It's a tougher time. It's like you can do 2. You can have 2 tougher times.
Give me. Where is it?
I marked it. It's next to the teleporter.
Give me.
Yeah, where's the thing that you found? I'm probably not gonna get the black hole cube. I don't like it. I think it's not that good.
I'm not that good. I'm good.
No, you're not.
No,
Okay, Isaac, where is it? Where's the thing?
Oh, it's up there. Don't worry, you'll find it.
Wow, thanks, Isaac. So useful.
You're welcome.
I know exactly where it is now. Oh, look, I found it. I guess I do know exactly where it is. Oh, hey, I can fly.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I have the ability to fly now.
Oh, wait, did you get that item to make you fly?
Maybe.
I know what item. I know it. And
The
you cannot stop me from knowing.
The Milky Chrysalis?
Yes, that item. I know it. I'm gonna die.
I really know it because I have it.
I love
I'm
that